So in today's Cook the Book, what I'm going to be making for you is a French onion soup. Now the only difference is a French onion soup is actually made with the broth of meat bones, but I'm making a French onion soup with vegetable stock. But it's going to be as tasty. So let's get cooking. I'm going to cook the maida. This kind of gets rid of that really raw taste of flour. So we're going to start with a little oil, butter. Now into this sizzle, we're going to be adding pepper, bay leaf, and some freshly chopped thyme. Now most of the flavor in this soup is going to come from its stock. Now into this goes onions. So the thing with French onion soup is this is how you need to cut your onions. A little salt, and now a little demerara sugar so that we have some great caramelization. Now that we've got the caramelization that we want, we're going to be adding our maida, which has already been dry roasted, so it does not have any of that raw maida aroma. Basically this is a thickening agent. What it also does is it kind of binds all the flavor together. Some red wine. Final ingredient, this beautiful homemade stock. So I've put in 3 cups of stock, of vegetable stock. So what I have here is beautiful kadak pav. So in a traditional French onion soup, of course, you have a baguette, but I feel, why can't we use our very beautiful local pav? So this is plain processed cheese. Yum.